Vision, a high-performing science and technology institute committed to produce optimistic, versatile, and productive individuals who would be contributors to a strong and happy nation. Vision, to develop optimistic, versatile, and productive individuals proficient in generating better ways of living towards a peaceful and environmental-friendly society. Core values, inspired. Ingenuity, nationalism, self-reliance, productivity, integrity, reliability, excellence, and dynamism. Institutional outcomes. Quality and excellence in producing innovative and happy individuals.
Go!